Acupuncture is an ancient science which is 2500 years old. Acupuncture treats various points on the human body by needles, which is the commonest form of treatment. But if this point is stimulated by finger, we call it acupressure. Now with latest science technology, we use lasers. Now laser is the one which used on various points, which is totally without touching the patient. Then we have what is called as moxa. There are also many other methods of treating like cupping, vibrating. So acupuncture has various modes of treatment which we cover up. This is the human body showing all the acupuncture points which are in the front and which are at the back. So the therapist is supposed to treat these points by needles or any other mode to get the desired effect. Now you need not treat the whole body. You can treat just by treating the ear. The whole body can be treated by just treating the acupuncture points on the ear to get the desired effect. So acupuncture can treat even the palm, the foot, the ear and the whole body as such. The starting of acupuncture clinic is not a replacement for any therapy, but by adding it, we will be able to enhance and get better results by amalgamating it with allopathic therapy and physiotherapy clinic. Acupuncture, as one knows, is totally without side effect and it will help in very quick recovery of all these cases.